This is officially it. This is the end of our week-long reveal event. Hopefully we're able to put a smile on your faces.
Reveal the joy!
What could have possibly driven Drew Scott, one half of the beloved duo behind the hit show Property Brothers, to step away from the spotlight? Fans were left puzzled and concerned when news broke that Drew was taking a break from the show due to health issues. But what exactly happened, and how has it impacted the show and the Scott brothers' dynamic? Well, in this video, we'll explore the real reason behind Drew Scott's departure from Property Brothers and the challenges he has faced during his absence from the show. We'll also discuss how his brother Jonathan has managed the show in Drew's absence and the implications for the show's future. Subscribe to Quarter Mile now. So the primary reason behind Drew Scott's departure from Property Brothers was a serious health condition that required immediate attention. While the specifics of his condition have not been made public, it is known that Drew has been undergoing treatment, including medication and dietary restrictions, to manage his symptoms. The condition has been described as a chronic issue that Drew has been dealing with for some time, but it reached a point where he could no longer ignore it. The treatment plan has been intensive, requiring Drew to take a step back from his work on the show to focus on his health and well-being. According to sources close to the Scott brothers, Drew's condition is related to a digestive disorder that has been causing him significant discomfort and disrupting his daily life. The disorder has been exacerbated by the demanding schedule and high-stress environment of filming Property Brothers, leading Drew to make the difficult decision to take a break from the show. The news of Drew's health condition has been a shock to fans of the show, who have grown to love the Scott brothers' infectious energy and chemistry on screen. Many have taken to social media to express their support and well wishes for Drew, with the hashtag #GetWellDrew trending on Twitter for several days. Drew's absence from Property Brothers has not been an easy one. The show has been a significant part of his life for many years, and stepping away has been a difficult adjustment. Additionally, the treatment plan has been demanding, with Drew having to adhere to strict dietary restrictions and medication schedules. Despite the challenges, Drew has remained positive and focused on his recovery. He has been in constant communication with his brother Jonathan, who has been a source of support and encouragement throughout this process. In a recent interview, Drew opened up about the emotional toll of his absence from the show, admitting that he misses the camaraderie and excitement of working with his brother and the show's crew. He also expressed concern about the impact his departure might have on the show's fans, many of whom have been loyal viewers since the series premiered in 2011. "It's been really tough, both physically and emotionally, to step away from the show," Drew said. "Jonathan and I have been working together for so long, and the show has become such a big part of our lives and the lives of our fans. But my health has to come first, and I'm grateful to have the support of my family, friends, and fans as I work to get better." With Drew away from the show, Jonathan has had to step up and take on a larger role in the production of Property Brothers. He has been working closely with the show's producers to ensure that the quality of the content remains high and that the show continues to deliver the same level of entertainment that fans have come to expect. Jonathan has also been a source of support for Drew, offering encouragement and advice as his brother navigates the challenges of his health condition. The brothers' close relationship has been a source of strength during this difficult time, and fans have been quick to show their support for both Drew and Jonathan. In a recent episode of the show, Jonathan addressed Drew's absence, assuring fans that his brother is on the road to recovery and that he looks forward to his return to the show. He also thanked fans for their outpouring of support, saying that it has meant a lot to both him and Drew during this challenging time. "Drew is my best friend and my brother, and I'm so proud of him for taking the time to focus on his health," Jonathan said. "I know it hasn't been easy for him to step away from the show, but his well-being is the most important thing. I'm grateful to our fans for their support and understanding during this time, and I can't wait for Drew to come back and pick up where we left off."
Hey, we're Drew and Jonathan Scott.
We are going to break down the most outrageous, unhinged, and unconventional property listings on the internet.
We've seen a lot of very questionable home design choices in our decade on television.
Yeah, there's not a lot that surprises us these days, but I'm willing to take a look and see what's out there.
As of now, there is no definitive timeline for Drew Scott's return to Property Brothers. The show's producers have been tight-lipped about the specifics of his condition and the treatment plan, citing privacy concerns. However, it is clear that Drew's health and well-being are the top priorities, and the show will continue without him until he is ready to return. The uncertainty surrounding Drew's return has raised questions about the show's future. Will the show be able to maintain its popularity without one of its co-hosts? How will the dynamic between the brothers change if Drew does return? These are questions that fans and the show's producers will have to grapple with in the coming months. In a recent interview, a spokesperson for the show's production company addressed some of these concerns, assuring fans that Property Brothers will continue to deliver the same high-quality content that viewers have come to expect. They also emphasized that the show's producers are committed to supporting Drew throughout his recovery process and that they look forward to welcoming him back when he is ready. "We know that Property Brothers wouldn't be the same without Drew, and we're committed to supporting him in any way we can as he focuses on his health," the spokesperson said. "In the meantime, we're working hard to ensure that the show continues to deliver the same level of entertainment and inspiration that our fans have come to love. We're grateful for their patience and understanding during this time." Despite the challenges of Drew's absence from the show, the Scott brothers' relationship has remained strong. Jonathan has been a constant source of support and encouragement for his brother, and the two have continued to communicate regularly throughout Drew's recovery process. In a recent interview, Jonathan opened up about the impact of Drew's health condition on their relationship, saying that it has brought them closer together and made them appreciate each other even more. "Drew and I have always been close, but going through this experience together has really strengthened our bond," Jonathan said. "We've always been there for each other, but this has been a reminder of just how important that support is. I'm so proud of Drew for taking care of himself, and I know that he's going to come out of this even stronger than before." The brothers have also continued to work together on other projects, including their real estate company and their home decor line. This collaboration has helped to maintain a sense of normalcy and routine during a challenging time, and it has also served as a reminder of the deep connection that the brothers share. Drew Scott's departure from Property Brothers has been a difficult and emotional experience for both him and his fans.
Hey y'all, Drew Scott here. Jonathan was telling me he gave you a tour of his house, and we always love sharing a little bit of our lives with you. I want to start with the outdoor spaces, because to me, that's some of the most fun. It's creating those extra bonus areas that you can enjoy with your family.
However, it is clear that his health and well-being are the top priorities, and the show's producers and his brother Jonathan have been supportive throughout this process. It's clear that the Scott brothers' relationship and the show's future are both uncertain at the moment. But one thing is certain: love and support of their fans will continue to be a source of strength and inspiration for both Drew and Jonathan as they navigate this journey together. As we wait for updates on Drew's condition and his potential return to the show, it is important to remember that health should always come first. We wish Drew a speedy recovery and look forward to seeing him back on our screens when he is ready. In the meantime, we encourage you to share your thoughts and well wishes for Drew in the comments section below. Let's show our support for this talented and hardworking individual as he navigates this challenging time in his life.
I was nervous, and then I saw my second offer, and I was like, this is the one. This is a dream offer, so
All right.
you should be nervous.
I'm not really that nervous.
What time it is? Go for an 80s jog.